Hello everyone. Hi, you caught me here. I had my DJI smart controller out. I was, checking to see if it got the new firmware update yet, so it could run with the Mavic Air 2 drone. So I was checking for any firmware updates. So it looks like I have a new remote controller version available right now. So maybe that's what we've been waiting for, the one that enables it to work with the Air 2, the highly successful and much talked about Air 2. Everybody loves the Air 2. It's probably the best new drone we've had in years, and it's a lot of people's favorites already. But as you know, a lot of people have been waiting for that update. It was kind of like talked about and promised even before it was released, that because it has OcuSync 2.0, that'll be compatible with the DJI Smart Controller, because as you know, all the other OcuSync 2 consumer drones are. When it was first released, it only worked with the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Zoom, and then officially as of I think April this year, it works with the Phantom 4 Pro V2. It was in beta for a long time with that device, but now it is officially supported by these three consumer drones. I'm not sure what the compatibility of it is with the enterprise level drones, but I think it has some compatibility there also. But we don't cover much enterprise on this channel, so you can go over to your enterprise guys to find out more information. But what I'm really here to alert you folks is, as of just a couple days ago, the DJI Smart Controller is now available in the DJI Refurb store. Brian Singleton communicated that information with me, I think, over the weekend. He spotted it there, and as of just before, a couple minutes before I started making this video, it was still in the Refurb store from DJI, and it was still in stock. Most things in the Refurb store are out of stock, but this is in stock. I mean, how long that's going to last, I do not know. I think the normal price of this device is $7.99, and the Refurb is $5.99. So that's a considerable savings to anybody who's thinking of getting a smart controller. It's free shipping from DJI, and you still get the same 1-year warranty and support with this Refurb smart controller as if you would purchase a new one. So there's no downside as far as support and warranty for that that first year. And of course, I think you can choose the DJI Refurb plans with the I keep saying Refurb. Anyhow, the DJI Care things. I'm not sure if they're available Refurb items or not. I think they are. I think I've purchased the Refurb item before and got the Care program, but I'm not positive about that. But anyhow. So right now, if you own any drone, like again the three drones I mentioned, either the Mavic 2s, the Zoom, or the Pro, or the Phantom 4 Pro V2, you've already got a compatible drone for the smart controller. And then I know we keep promising it doesn't show up, but the Mavic Air 2 will eventually have it, because it uses the same OcuSync 2 transmission system as the others do. So I've had this for over a year now, and I'm a big fan of it. The screen has 100 nits, so I can actually stand out in the bright sunlight in the summer and actually see the screen to fly the drone during the middle of the day, which I cannot do that well even on my iPhone 11 Pro, which has, I think it says 80, and it can flex up to 120 nits. Still don't see as good as this screen. Of course, this screen's a little bit bigger than my phone screen also. I don't know the exact dimension, but it's bigger than my 11 Pro. And outside of that, it also, I don't have to fool around with connecting the wires every time I fly. And you can, a recent update that came out for this in the spring, you can have a boot, it used to boot right to the controller interface. You need to go in and choose the DJI Go 4 app and then get started. But now, they put a setting in there so you can have it boot up directly into the Go 4 app, so it makes it even faster for you to get up in the air. So I definitely can get up in the air faster using this than I can a controller and the phone app, just because the plugging in and out and unlocking the phone and choosing the app. This definitely gets you up and fly faster than than me, anyways, from using the phone and a standard DJI controller. So I said I'm a big fan of it. Bill, the drone reviewer, he kind of convinced me to get it, and I haven't looked back. I actually bought the Mavic 2 Pro with the smart controller kit, so I don't even have the normal DJI controller for my Mavic 2 Pro. But I'm looking forward to using this with the Mavic Air 2, and I know it's kind of an expensive accessory. It's the cost of it costs more than buying the Mavic Mini, and it costs, I'm going to say, you're like 70% your way to the Air 2 price of $799, but again, it's a luxury item for sure. You don't need it, but it definitely is nice to have, especially if you fly a lot in the middle of the day and you have trouble seeing the screen, and you can get the hoods and everything for the regular controllers, but it's a lot of extra setup, to get that and to get it on right. This is easier, quicker, and again, $599 is still a pretty good cost. Hey, maybe that's the big update coming through now, but let me try to turn this off. But still, I would consider it at this, especially at this Refurb price. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to alert you of that incredible deal in the DJI Refurb store, and I will put a link below where you can click right to it and get that terrific price today. My link is going to be an affiliate link. Full disclosure here. I'll get a small commission off the link if you choose to buy from it, and I'd appreciate that greatly. I'll definitely, I'm a type person. If I have any commission I make, all this stuff, I'll use it to buy more, DJI stuff to review on the channel, and make more videos from. So, anyways. Have a good day wherever you are. Stay safe. If you're flying today, I hope you have a great flight. And let me know if you get some great video and post a video that would be great for the community. I'll shout it out and all that. So we will definitely catch you in the next video.